In this video, we're comparing these three products. If you don't know, which I'm assuming you do, these products are used to fix the chips in your windshield without paying hundreds at some auto body shop. And this is a comparison video. This is not an instructional video, but that's only because I've already done instructional videos on all three of these products. If that's what you're looking for and already have the product and just want to know how to follow the instructions via video, check the description below. I'll also put a playlist up right here. But if you're here for the comparison, which one's best, I'm gonna go through that right now. I'm also gonna show you what's inside each one of these boxes. And then at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. All right, here we go. First up, we'll go over what's in the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. It comes with your instructions, which I'll be honest, are not great. Hence why I made an instructional video for this product. You have an alcohol wipe for cleaning, an adhesive disc, a syringe and plunger applicator, your compound repair resin, the pedestal base, a curing strip, push pin to clean out any loose glass shards, and then a razor blade used to scrape off excess cured resin. Next up, the Weld windshield saver. A lot of similar items in this kit. You have the syringe, the pedestal, the resin, a razor blade, adhesive disc, curing strip, alcohol wipe, push pin, and your instructions. So actually the exact same materials as the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. Last but not least, the Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. This one has a bit of a unique repair device applicator. It comes with 4 suction cups. This is so you can attach it to the windshield to help inject the resin into the damage properly. You get a pretty hefty stack of curing strips because they also give instructions how to fix not just chips, but also cracks on your windshield. And you need more curing strips for longer cracks. It also comes with a razor blade. This is part of the repair device where you put the resin in. This is the resin itself and some instructions to follow along. So that's what's in each box. And you can tell they more or less work in a very similar way. It's not wildly different materials, but I did want to compare just in a very simple way, any differences and similarities that these have. And I'm not gonna sit here and just ramble on about that. I'm actually going to throw up a spreadsheet and you can pause it right on that spreadsheet to take a look. Just, it gives you a very intuitive way to see the similarities and differences of these products. Here you go. Okay, and like I said, I've used all 3 of these products, but I told you out of these 3, I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite, and I'll do that right now. That one is the Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. I mean, the biggest and only difference is the clamp that you can use. It just keeps it a little bit more secure and you feel like you have a better control on your overall workspace. So honestly, they all do pretty much the same thing. I just like this one the most. Instructions were clear. Like I said, a little bit of a different clamp situation, but all great products. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you feel like you now have a general comparison of these 3 products, kind of what you're getting, pros and cons, differences, similarities, things like that. I make a lot of random videos like this, all different topics under the sun. If this was helpful and you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. Until next time, see you later.